Introducing the most powerful hairdryer ever. With up to 130,000 revolutions per minute, you can easily blow away snow and dust from your car. You can also use it to start a fire or burn charcoal while camping outdoors. Newly upgraded 2-in-1 cleaning and blowing function. Super wind power on the front side and super suction on the other side. In addition to blowing away dust and cleaning up trash, it can also be used as an air pump, inflator, hairdryer to fill air, vacuum, etc. Very convenient in the car, home, camping. Equipped with large capacity lithium batteries. Long battery life. Manufacturer direct sale. Order today, have half price discount. Tomorrow start to restore the original price.